Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make dependent drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. Like this, here we have continent and country. We are going to create a drop-down list for the continent, and when we choose each continent, for example, Europe, in the second drop-down list under country, it should show us only the countries belonging to Europe. And if we choose Asia, for example, here, the country drop-down list should show us only the countries under Asia. First, we need to create defined names for the continent and later for each continent separately, including the countries. Let's do for the continent. We select this range and we go to formulas, defined names, and then create from selection. And we select top row. Later, the name for the range takes from the header, which is continent. You click OK. So this is continent, and here it's excluding the word continent. It selects only this range. We do for all the other continents separately. Defined names, create from selection, OK, and here as well. We can include the blanks as well later in the data validation. We can tick the option to ignore the blanks. Let's go to define ranges and create selection. Okay, we do the same for the rest. Okay, so let's create the drop down list. We go to data, we go to the cell for the continent, we place the drop down list here, data and data validation. We choose select, and here we can say equal to continent, or we can press F3 on the keyboard and select continent, click enter. Here we have the drop down list for the continent, and in the second drop down list we go back to data validation, and here we do equal to indirect, open the brackets, then our reference will be the cell for the drop down list selection under the continent. And doesn't matter whether we lock the reference or not, because we have only one row. But in case if you have multiple rows, we need to lock the column and release the row. So we close the brackets. Okay, so now when we selected already Europe, the next drop down for the country, it filters out only the countries under Europe.